Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw an Echinacea flower using an easy method. First, let's establish the flower's core. Start by sketching a small, slightly flattened oval. This will be the very center. Then, draw a second, larger oval around the first, creating a clear inner ring. Use a dark pencil to shade the inner oval, giving it a nice, deep appearance. Now, let's add the first layer of petals. From the outer edge of your central oval, draw 8 to 10 narrow, elongated petals. These should radiate outwards, giving the flower its characteristic shape. Make sure each petal has a slight curve and varies a little in length. This helps create a more organic and natural appearance for your Echinacea. To give our Echinacea more fullness, let's add a second layer of petals. Draw these petals behind the first set, making sure to fill in any noticeable gaps. Allow some petals to overlap slightly. This technique adds a wonderful sense of depth and dimension to your drawing. Finally, use small, short strokes to add a spiky texture to the central cone. For the final touches, let's add the stem and leaves. Draw a sturdy, slightly curved stem extending downwards from the base of your flower. Then, add 2 or 3 broad, lance-shaped leaves along the stem. These leaves should have a distinct central vein. Finish by using light shading on the petals and leaves to give your Echinacea a beautiful, three-dimensional effect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.